71. Fill something in. Meaning, to write information in blanks. British English.
Example: please fill in the form with your name, address, and phone number.
72. Fill something out. Meaning, to write information in blanks. North America.
Example: the form must be filled out in capital letters.
73. Fill something up. Meaning, fill to the top.
Example: I always fill the water jug up when it is empty.
74. Find out. Meaning, discover.
Example: we don't know where he lives. How can we find out?
75. Find something out. Meaning, discover.
Example: we tried to keep the time of the party a secret, but Samantha found it out.
76. Get something across or over. Meaning, communicate, make understandable.
Example: I tried to get my point across to the judge, but she wouldn't listen.
77. Get along or on. Meaning, like each other.
Example: I was surprised how well my new girlfriend and my sister got on.
78. Get around. Meaning, have mobility.
Example: my grandfather can get around fine in his new wheelchair.
79. Get away. Meaning, go on a vacation.
Example: we're getting away in January for a skiing holiday.
80. Get away with something. Meaning, do without being noticed or punished.
Example: Jason always gets away with cheating in his maths tests.